I study English every day. I study English every day.
I wake up early. I wake up early. It is time to wake up. It is time to wake up. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.
I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning.
I read the news every day. I read the news every day.
I need some apples. I need some apples.
How much is this?
How?
Much is.
This. Can I have a cup of tea? Can I have a cup of tea?
Dinner smells delicious.
Dinner.
Smells delicious.
I want 2 pieces of bread. I want 2 pieces of bread.
I would like some fish. I would like some fish.
This seat is comfortable. This seat is comfortable. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. This book is interesting. This book is interesting. The flowers need water. The flowers need water.
The flowers are beautiful. The flowers are beautiful.
These shoes are too big. These shoes are too big.
This movie is funny. This movie is funny.
I am busy right now. I am busy right now.
I will call you later. I will call you later. I am looking for the station. I am looking for the station.
How are you today? How are
You?
you today? My flight is tomorrow. My flight is tomorrow. These clothes are clean. These clothes are clean. Please open your book. Please open your book.
I need to sleep early. I need to sleep early. I need to sleep early. See you again tomorrow. See you again tomorrow.